Hello friends, welcome to another session of 25 question. So let's start with the question which I have given to you in previous session. So the question was, which of the following is the process of detecting and correcting the wrong data? The correct answer is data scrubbing. This is also known as data cleaning. Okay, now next question is, this question created some controversy in last session. I have given this question and people were telling like, okay, no, this is C is not correct answer. A is correct answer. So I thought let's discuss this question also in this session. So the question was, in digital signature, sender usage is dash to encrypt the plain text while receiver usage dash to decrypt the message. So the answer was sender usage private key and receiver usage public key. So this is the correct answer. Though it looks like it is not correct, because in other public key cryptography, sender usage public key of receiver to encrypt the plain text while receiver usage is private key to decrypt the message. But that's not case in the digital signature. The digital signature is used just to validate the signature for non-repudiation purpose at receiver side. So let me show you. I am following this IBM Red Book for jet security. So here you can see what it is telling. Here it is message, and message is become coming to hash function. This is one way hash, and this private key encryption is happening. And at receiver side, public key decryption is happening. So what it does, see, what is digital signature? First, let's understand. Suppose you are working in some ABC organization, and now you have resigned. And you have resigned, you got a relieving letter from here. Now, this letter need to produce you to XYZ organization, your next organization. So, how this next organization will authenticate this letter? So, the answer is digital signature. So, now this ABC organization don't know like where this relieving letter will go. That's why it will encrypt this letter with his private key, so that wherever it will go, his public key will be used to validate the signature. I hope this is clear. It is not like that people know like where to go, where this message will go, and they will encrypt as per that keys. This is the difference in digital signature. I hope it is clear. Now let's start with today's question. First is, which of the following is not a built-in aggregate function in SQL? So average is aggregate function, max is there, count is there, total is not function there. So answer is total. Next is, polymorphism reduce the effort required to extend an object system by. So what does polymorphism do? Answer will be enabling a number of different operations to share the same name. This is what polymorphism do. Next question is, the keywords try, catch, and finally are typically used in sequence in Java. So we know it is try, catch, finally. Next is, what is aging in operating system? So what is aging is? Aging is to increase the priority of job so that the job gets terminated in finite time. So answer is option number D. Next is, which SQL command is used to remove all the records from a table along with the allocated space? So the correct answer for this is truncate. So this is a DDL command. So what is difference between drop and truncate? Truncate just delete the records, while drop it will delete the table structure also. In truncate, table structure will be there, but in drop, table structure will also be deleted. Next question is, with SQL, how can you insert a new record into the person table? So what is the syntax for insert? Insert into table name and values. This is the syntax. So insert, yeah, option C is correct. Insert into table name is person, and what is the values we have to write here. So this table has only two columns, first name and last name. That's why only two values we are inserting here. Next is, what is abstraction in object oriented programming? What is abstraction? Abstraction means only necessary features will be shown and detailed feature will be hidden. So correct answer is showing only the essential feature of the application and hiding the details. Option B is correct answer. Okay, now this is question for select query. Schema is given. One student table is there having columns are student code, first name, last name, email, phone number, date of birth, honor subject and percentage of marks. So the question is, which of the following query will correctly list the average percentage of marks in each honor subject when the average is more than 5%, 50%, sorry. So okay, so we have to perform two things. One is average is more than 50%, and we have to group with honor subject, average percentage of marks in each honor subject. So we have to use group by and having both. So when we have to use both, group by comes first and having comes last. So let's see the options. First is select this from this, where this group by, no, this is not correct. From student, average is this, group by this, no, select this from student. Yeah, this is correct, group by honor subject, having percentage of mark this. So option C is correct answer. Next is, which of the following is not a relational database? Oracle is relational, MySQL relational, DB2 relational. This is not a relational database. Sbase is a database used in big data. I think it is a NoSQL database. Let's see next question. In which type of security threats someone tries to steal information that computers, smartphone or other devices transmit over a network? So this is known as eavesdropping. What is eavesdropping? Eavesdropping, an intruder will try to detect the messages or try to get the message from the network itself. Next is, in wireless LANs, a time interval between two frames to control access to channel is called. This is known as interframe space. Next is, an application protocol of TCP/IP that allows remote login is known as. Yeah, so see, there is issue with this question. Answer will be NVT, Net Virtual Terminal, but actually the answer should be Telnet. This is the part of Telnet only, or you can say this is subset of Telnet. But since Telnet is not given, we have to mark NVT answer, Network Virtual Terminal. 13 is, dash refers to a family of IEEE standards dealing with local area network and metropolitan area network. Answer is 802. IEEE 802 deals with LAN and MAN. Now, do one thing, you have to study IEEE 802 family. Like you have to know what does 802.1 is, 802.2 is, 80.3 is. This type of question comes in exam. Somewhere it is asked Wi-Fi deals with 802 family. So answer should be 802.11. So study this from 802.1 till 802.12 or 13. Something is token bus, something is token ring. So study that thing. You can find it easily on Wikipedia. Next is, which of the following techniques is used to convert blocking system into a non-blocking system call? This is known as jacketing. Jacketing technique is used to convert a blocking system into a non-blocking system. Next is, software that enables the sharing of cloud providers' physical compute and memory resources across multiple virtual machines. Okay, this is a very good question from cloud computing concept. This is known as hypervisor. So hypervisor is a technique by which many clients can connect to one server or one cloud platform. Next is, what is a hardware register that contains status information of the processor? Correct answer is status register. Next is the performance of round robin scheduling algorithm depends on. The performance of round robin scheduling algorithm depends on quantum, because in round robin we have time quantum decided for each process. Next question is concept of developing a compiler for a language by using subset of the same language. Okay, it is asking for subset of the same language. Whenever we use same language to design compiler also, this is known as bootstrap compiler. And what is cross compiler? Whenever we want compiled code from some different environment, when code is written in some other language and compiled code is getting generated for some other environment, that is known as cross compiler. RAD stands for, what is RAD? RAD is rapid application development. What is next question? In ER diagram, total participation is represented by double line. Option B is correct answer. So who represent total participation? Answer is weak entities. What are weak entities? Who don't have any primary key. Next is DBMS may be combined with or used by dash type of transaction manager. Okay, so the answer for this question is KICS. So people from mainframe background would be knowing what is KICS. So a very beautiful system for transaction manager is CICS, Customer Information Control System. Next question is which of the following is the process of combining data from different sources? This is known as data integration. Next is in SQL, the spaces at the end of the string are removed by dash function. So spaces at the end of the string is removed by trim function. Next is program that automatically submit your search request to several search engines simultaneously are called. So these types of program are called meta search engine. What is web crawler? Let me know in comment section what is web crawler. And last question for the day is Azure is a cloud platform developed by. Very simple question, we know Azure is from Microsoft. What is Amazon cloud platform? AWS, Google, GCP, Google cloud platform. IBM has IBM cloud. And this one question is for you. Kerberos uses which cryptographic technique for authentication? Asymmetric, symmetric, dissymmetric, plain, system. So let me know the answer for this also in comment section. So that's all for today's session. And if you want this PDF, you can join my Telegram channel. Link is in description. There I am posting the PDF for this session. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.